I need fluency. I need fluency at any cost. But for that, I want to know how many hours should I practice so that I can become a fluent English speaker in short period of time. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things regarding fluency. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. My friend, it doesn't matter how many hours you are practicing. It matters how intentionally you are practicing. I have seen people, they practice hours and hours, but they are not adding new things. They are not learning new things. And that is why there is no improvement at all. On the other hand, I have seen people, they have been practicing for few months, but if we listen their English, it's so amazing. Why? Because they are working very hard. They are trying to add new things, and that is why their English is fabulous. So if we want to speak this language fluently, what we need to do, we should practice every single day. Consistency matters a lot. So we need to maintain consistency, okay? Afterward, if you ask me how many hours should I practice, so what would be my reply? My honest reply is, it doesn't matter how many hours you are practicing, okay? And it totally depends on your spare time. If you have hours and hours in your hand, give your hours and hours to this language. Then you will speak this language very fluently in short period of time. I think so. And if you have a few minutes in your hand, give your few minutes to this language, okay? I'm not going to say that practice hours and hours. What if you don't have? Why? Because we all have other work, right? We cannot keep our priority, our all work aside and give 24/7 to this language. We cannot do it, right? So we need to manage our time. If you are managing your time and finding out that you have only few minutes in your hand, give few minutes to this language. And if you have hours and hours, you should be happy and you should be giving your hours and hours to this language, and you will speak this language fluently, okay? What matters a lot? Consistency and your hard work. See, many people, they ask me, Anita, how many hours do you practice? Honestly speaking, earlier I used to count. I mean, as a beginner, I used to count, okay, today I have practiced 1 hour and I have practiced few minutes, like that. But nowadays I don't count, because nowadays I practice whenever I want. And let me tell you, practice doesn't mean you should be speaking this language. No. Practice means when you are listening, when you are reading, when you are watching any video in English, when you are talking to someone, when you are thinking in English, so many things are there. They are also called practice, right? Not only speaking. Earlier as a beginner, I used to think, okay, speaking is only practice. So I used to give 1 hour, 2 hours for speaking practice, okay? And apart from speaking practice, I used to learn grammar, okay? So this is the thing. So it totally depends on your spare time, okay? If you ask me that how many hours should I give, I would say give your spare time. Don't pressurize yourself that she is giving hours and hours, I'm giving only few minutes to this language. In this way, you won't be able to improve this language good way. My friend, what matters a lot? Our happiness also, right? So don't bother yourself. I know it matters that if you are giving few minutes and on the other hand your friend or one person is giving few hours. I know ultimately if your friend is doing hard work and he's giving hours and hours, he'll become more fluent, okay? So it also matters, but what if you don't have any other option? What if you have only few minutes in your hand? Then you have only two options. One you can stop practicing, another you can continue with your 5 minutes or 2 minutes, right? I think the better one is you should continue with your 5 minutes. Don't think that I have only few minutes in my hand, so I should not practice. The day I will have hours and hours in my hand, then I'll practice. That is not the great way to think about this language or think about practice, okay? So if you want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly, do hard work, maintain consistency. In my case, nowadays I don't count, I told you, right? So whenever I want, I just watch all the videos in English. Rarely I watch in Hindi, okay? So it means that I am giving input to my mind in English language. That is also one thing. Other, I speak whenever I want nowadays, and I think in English. So these all things I do nowadays, and I don't count how many hours. I think one day, if you people ask me again and again, so I will count also, okay? And I'll try to see how many hours I practice. I think, I'm not sure. Nowadays, I give a lot of time someday, and someday I don't give a lot of time. But one thing is sure, that I practice every single day. I give few minutes every single day, okay? And someday few hours also. So I don't have one certain amount of time, okay? In your case also, you are free. If you have less time, give less time. If you have a lot of time, give a lot of time to this language. And I told you, you will be able to see the differences, but we don't have any other option. We cannot stop learning this beautiful language, right? Because ultimately we want to become a fluent English speaker. That is our dream, right? So this is the thing. Actually, many people, they had asked me. That is why I thought it would be better. In my previous videos also, I had answered, I think, about this kind of things, that how many hours we should practice, like that, okay? So this is the thing, my friend. What matters a lot, your hard work, practice. When you don't have anyone, then start listening something, start reading something, start talking to yourself, self-practice, okay? Start watching something, then you can improve this language as soon as possible, right? But if you are thinking that, okay, I don't have time, and if I have a lot of time, then I will practice this language, this is not good way of thinking, okay? So this is the thing. And I told you that nowadays I don't count how many hours I'm giving to this language. So this is the thing. Here I'm not going to recommend you that you should practice hours and hours, or you should practice in minutes. No, I give you the responsibility, okay? Because now it is in your hand. If you have a lot of time, then give a lot of time to this language. If you have less time, give less time to this language. So this is my opinion about how many hours we should practice, or how many minutes we should practice English language. This is the thing. See the environment, it's so beautiful. It's evening time. Birds, they are chirping. So peaceful environment. Okay, so I wanted to share with you this thing. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.